Hey guys, welcome once again to my YouTube channel. This is your favorite tech savvy, Multifole NS. Guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can convert your videos from a higher size to a lower size. I'm going to show you how you can easily compress your videos from 1 gig to 200 MB while retaining the quality of your videos. Alright, so guys, if you're new on this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, so that YouTube will get to show it more persons. Also, click on the notification bell so you'll be alert whenever I drop a video with this channel. And if you're my returning subscribers, guys, I want to say thank you. Thank you so much for returning back to this channel. So let's head to what I have for you today. So right now, I'm just going to show you this amazing tool that I started using recently. It's been helping me, and in subsequent videos, I'm going to show you other things that you can do with this amazing software. So the software I'm going to be using is called WONDERSHARE. And in the description of this video, you get to see how to get this particular software installed on your PC. Okay, so when you finish installing and you've installed and opened your software, this is what you're going to come across. Alright, so for you to compress your file, compress your videos to lesser size, you just need to click on all tools, and you get to see all the tools that this particular amazing software have for you. So right here, you see the compressor, and this is what we're going to use in this particular video. So I'm just going to click on compressor, and I have a video that is over 1 gig. Alright, so that video, I'm going to go there right away. And this video, how to create a blog website, is over 40 minutes, and I'm going to show you how I'll be able to compress this particular video to a lesser size while retaining the quality of this video. So right here, I'm just going to drag this particular video down to this WONDERSHARE. Okay, so I'm dragging it there, and it's going to upload here. So you see the video is over 1 gig, 1.09 gig, and right here I'm going to compress. So for me to start compressing, I have to do some adjustments. So right here, you look underneath, you see the size. So I'm going to say I want to compress it to this is 70%. So you can see the size is going to be 389 MB. And if I say I want it to be 60, it's going to be 303 MB. If I say I want it to be 50, it's going to be 277.91 MB. Alright, that's within this range. That's what it's going to fall into. Alright, so this is how you convert your videos. You convert your videos from large to lower size. And then also, you're also going to select the quality. So I say I want high quality, which is recommended. And then you're also going to select this format, that is where you want your video to be saved to. So you don't get to start looking for your video after it has finished saving. Alright, so here I'll just say I want it to select my source, and it's going to take me to my folder where I get to decide where I want it to be saved to. So if I want to be saved in a particular place here in my system, let's say I want to be saved in my desktop, I could just say desktop and then maybe add a new folder, or just save it entirely on my desktop. Okay, so I could just say I want to be saved in my desktop and then say select folder. So this particular video is going to be saved in the desktop, and then I'm going to come here. I say I want it to be high quality standard, and then also let's click on these settings to see some of the things that we can do here. Okay. Okay, so you can see now this is we're actually using the file size of 50%. Okay, and then if I take it back here, you see the quality, the file size is increasing at the very top here. You can see this top here. The more I increase, the file size is increasing. So it depends on what you want. You might not actually use 200 MB that I indicated, okay, but you just want your video size to reduce a little bit, and then still retain the quality of your video. It's all your choice. Okay. Also, you also get to select the formats that you want to easily use your video on. You want to be on MP4 or any other formats that you want it to be on. It's actually your choice. Okay. So I want it to be on MP4. That's the best version I want. And then also, you see advanced settings. This is where you also get to decide your audio resolution and all of that. But I don't usually come here. I don't use this particular aspect, so I just based on this aspect you're seeing here. So if I'm done with all of this, I can just say okay, Alright, and then you start compressing your video. So if I click on compress, it will start compressing, and then you wait for it to get to 100% for you to see your video that is being compressed. So right now, I'm just going to pause this particular recording and then come back when the video has finished compressing. Okay, so while it's compressing, I can also view my video. Just click on the video. You can see it right here. Okay, so you can see my video now. Okay, so this is the video, and if at all I want to screenshot any part, I can just screenshot this particular part to see here. There are so many things you can do with this software, okay, apart from compressing your video, and I'm going to touch them one by one in subsequent videos. The more reason why I need you to subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed. Alright, so I'm just going to close this particular piece, and you can see it's moving. So you wait until it gets to 100%, and then you go to wherever location where you saved your video, and then you get to see your video. Okay, so as you can see, my video is still compressing. So this particular method of compressing video is going to help content creators on YouTube. If you're someone who usually upload large videos on YouTube and you're looking for a way to reduce the size of your videos, this method is actually going to help you. So if you got value from this video, don't forget to subscribe, share this video to someone out there who might need it, and also click on the notification bell so you'll be alert whenever I drop a video on this channel. See you guys in my next video. Bye.